guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint pot line, Antlers with flowers. I'm going to go in first and paint all of my flowers in the color Lucky Lavender. And then I'm going to go in and paint all of my leaves that are on my flowers in the color Limeade, which is this really pretty bright green color. And then I'm going to go in and paint my antlers in the color Putty. And I'm just using a number 12 flat to paint my antlers. Now I'm going to go in and distress my antlers with a little bit of chocolate and a sponge brush. And then I'm going to go in and outline all of my flowers with a Sharpie brushstroke marker and finish them off by highlighting them with a little bit of cotton, and a number 4 round is what I like to use for that. And I'll also highlight my antlers just a little bit. And then that's it, you guys. That will complete my project. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy this video.